Alright, here I am back with another video. This time I have a car I can test this on. This is a Volkswagen. So let's go ahead and turn the ignition to the on position. Let's see if that changes. Let me turn on the car actually, because it's been sitting down. So let's see if the charge changes. And it does, 14.5 volts. So I'm gonna keep it on for a minute. And let me see if I can connect to the network. There are no updates, so that's fine. Connected. So let's go to diagnosis, because this car does have some error codes. And I have the camera on this neck holder contraption, so it'll move a little bit. But I'll try to keep both hands free for this video. So let's get started. VW. And we're going to go to automatically select, come on, focus, automatically select models. Try to see the screen at the same time, so it does show me the car. That was the correct VIN number. So we're gonna go to Rabbit 2006 USA Canada. Oops, let me go back. Come on, go back here, Rabbit, and then on the next page I have 2007 sedan. Yes. Now there are two. Come on, focus. Come on. Hang on a second. Let me see. Make sure this is clean. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so you have BGP and BGQ. I think mine said on the manual it was a BGQ. Can't remember, but you'll have those two choices there. Come on. So we're going to go to diagnostics. You know what? Let me take this off because I'm not getting anything good here. And as you can see, that's the neck holder that I'm using. But let me do it manually here so I can show you. This thing scans, focus. Okay. So we're going to go to Autoscan. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to show you that this does have some codes in there. You get an engine electronics. We have a transmission electronics, DTC. It's going to take a while, but we can see everything going on. The car is on. So we have another central electronic problem there, or DTC. And we're going to let the program run. So let me try and focus here so you can see what it's doing. And before I do anything on this car, I want to make sure that you see that there are a few DTCs or error codes. I know there is an issue with the transmission, so I knew about that. But the airbags and everything else is okay. As you can see, it's green. So it does take a few minutes, or not a few minutes, but takes a moment to go through all the modules on this particular car, but it does see them, so that's the good part. And I'm gonna try and see what else we can see while I have that car here and connected. Let me go back here. As you can see, there are a couple of things going on there. This is a brake, no light there, but we have an engine light right there, and the mileage. And I'm testing this at 192,793 miles. So it does have quite a few miles, but it still works. Okay, I need to move the seat back a little more because I feel like I'm too close to this. There we go. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at right here. As you can see, I just hung it from the top of the steering wheel. So far it's pretty neat because it does work with it. Ow! And I got a bunch of ants at the same time. So voltage here is 14.5, so that's working. It's been sitting for a couple of days, so that's why I'm turning it on. And we're just gonna do this on, see if we can do any live data. I don't think I can because I'm not gonna drive it, so I may not be able to see anything there. Alright, so that's how long it took. I'm going to save this report. So I'll save it just so I can look at all the codes later on. So here we go. So we got driver door electronics, comfort system, central control module, radio, right rear door electronics, passenger door electronics, rear door electronics. I'm not sure what those are, but obviously the main ones are going to be the engine electronics. Let's look at that. And let's look at the fault codes on here. So that's what we have. We have a negative, incidental coolant fan 2, difficulty or movement blocked. We have a PO 48,000, cooling fan 1, MAP, throttle position correlation, lower limit not reach. So I'm gonna clean the throttle body later, but I'm not sure what those are. So again, this is something I'm new to, so if you know what those are, just go ahead and put them in the comment or what that might be referring to. So those are the codes for that. So let's look at the transmission codes. And this phone's getting heavy. Alright, let's look at the codes here. So we have a PO 734. Alright, let me focus there. Negative incidental gear 4, incorrect ratio, mechanical malfunction. PO 730, gear incorrect ratio, mechanical malfunction. So I'm not sure what that is. So if anybody knows what those are referring to, please let me know. I know it's a transmission, but is it a solenoid or is it an actual mechanical what do you call it, problem, internal mechanical problem? So we'll keep going here. Actually, I can read the data stream. So the problem is it's asking me for input, what is it, channel number 01 to 254. I'm not sure what channel numbers are, but let's go ahead and try 01. Alright, let's start with 1. Let's see what we get. I don't know what that is. Hold on, let me 001. Okay, let's try that. 001. Say okay. Ah, look at that. Shows me the RPM. ASCII character 0. RPM 570. RPM 690. So the cool thing is I can actually go to the next channel here. So let's do that. Because I have no idea. I don't have a list of the channels. So let's go to the next channel, which is going to be what? RPM voltage 1.6. Next channel. Let's see what that is. ASCII load speed. Next channel. I'm just going to keep going up since we started at 0. Code not found. Next. Lambda integrator load, nothing there. So keep going. Temperature 37 C's, current 0.9, RPM 89. Next channel. Current 0.97, 98. Next channel. Where the heck did all these ants come from? Current 0.98, 0.20. Okay, here. Apologize, but I'm holding the phone with just changing hands here because it's getting pretty hot. Let me open this. Ugh. And I'm out here because it's actually cooler today. What am I doing? Open the windows. Alright, so we got switch position. You know what? Let me go forward here. Change the gear. See if it does anything. Parking, so the P changes. And D as sport mode. Ah, freaking hands. Alright, so on park. So let's keep going. Channel 10 or whatever that is. Temperature. So we got 38 C's, voltage 220, code not found, voltage 14 volts. So we go to next. ASCII character, code not found, ASCII, okay. Go to the next one. Same thing, load. 13. B code, okay, next. Switch position 1, 2, don't know what that's referring to. I'm not gonna lie, so we're just gonna keep going here. And 18, huh? What happened? So it's just keeping some channels. That's interesting. Channel 22, 23, 24. Interesting. So I went to channel 25, I think it was. Alright, let's keep going to the next channel. 26, 27, 28. Alright, so we got a couple other ASCII characters. Let's keep going. And this is all the transmission that we're looking at. But I don't think I'm gonna keep you going through all the 232 channels, so I'm gonna probably stop the video because there's no point in recording all of this, but at least it gives you an idea of what you can see with the scanner on this one. So if it ends pretty quickly because it's skipping, then we'll just do that. I'm not sure why it's skipping. I don't know if it's supposed to skip some or there isn't anything in there. Obviously, anyone that has more experience with this can comment. But this is what the car has, or at least these are the codes that are showing on this particular car. So it's gone through them quite a bit fast. I'm already on 70. Again, the car is on. And it stopped on 72. I don't know what that was, but 75 now. Okay, nothing there. So I guess that's one way to look at all the channels if you don't know what specific channel you're looking at. As you can see, I'm going through. It says raw index key error. AW7. I have no idea what that is. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. So we're going to go to the next one. I'm on 81 now. So the good thing is that, you can see that not every channel gives you information, or at least on this scanner it's not doing that. But it is actually communicating, which is good. Okay, nothing there. Code not found. So I guess no code is good news. Obviously there is something going on there because of the shifting, but that could be something else. Let me see. How did they someone put it? Oh, she said she felt like she had a bull going over here. Every now and then it would just sort of want to shake pretty badly. Okay, temperature is 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So it went up quite a bit. It's literally up in the middle since I'm sitting still here. But okay, so we got error code. What is that? Error code 789325272. That was on channel 120. And load 100% on all of them. Okay, 123. Same thing. 124 NA. Okay, here we go. Code not found, ABS1, Combi 1, engine 1. Okay. So, code not found, gateway 1, code not found, steering 1. Everything else is NA. So I guess we might as well go through the codes if it's going this fast. Or at least the transmission. So the good thing is that there is communication, I guess. I'm not sure why it skips, so somebody else may chime in on that. I guess if it doesn't have a channel, there's nothing there, or it's not applying to this particular model car. I'm not sure. And also, I'm not sure if you would get some of those channels if you were actually driving it. I haven't done that, and I won't be doing that because, as I've said, I want to clean the at least check the throttle body and take that weird plastic cover off and see what's under that, and just get an idea of what you may need changing or fix or whatever, but at least for the basics. So we're getting there. It's 200 now, so we're at up to 256. So we're at count 768. That was number scan note 2. ASCII character 3, ASCII character 0, count 768. So let's go to the next channel. That was 201. And we got 202. We got a raw index key error. Then it's got a number up there. So I'll just keep going. Just want to get to the end and see if there's something else going. If it'll show me something else or like a report or something. I'm not sure. So we got segment correlation value. Segment correlation value. No unit. 48 voltage. 13.6. Okay. 56.1847 kilowatt. 56.1682 kilowatt. Okay. And I'm interested in what's going on with that transmission right now, so that's why I want to check all of these codes. And obviously you can probably do that for all the other systems as well. I'm pretty sure you can, but I don't think I want to because I'm sweating like crazy. It's a humid day today. Nice, finally get a little bit cooler, but not too much. Give me some more air. All right, so keep going. Nothing there. 226. Nothing there. Okay, let's go. So this is actually your live diagnosis here that you're looking at. And that's just for the transmission, obviously, which is what we're looking at. Three, 54, 55, and it's finished. So I just went back to the first one. That was it. That was not exciting, but it didn't show me anything else. So I'm going to exit because we looked through every channel, but it doesn't show me any codes. So let's see, what is basic settings? Okay, that's for the channels. Secure access, 5SN, 7SN. I have no idea what that is. So we'll check. Let me see here. Fault codes on the transmission. So I only get those two codes: PO734 gear 4, PO730 gear incorrect ratio mechanical function. So if you can chime in and know what that is, just let me know. All right, I'll call it that. Finish. So now we are on the engine electronics. Read data stream. We'll just go the same way. 001. I'll do OK. So let's see. Show me the temperature. And I'm not gonna walk you through all of these since we already know what that does. but I just want to see a couple and see if it changes. Ah, there we go. RPM, mass flow, 2.3 G/S, gallons per second, I guess. Low 3.92, timing angle 6.6 degrees before top dead center. Okay, that's what's on the card, not anything I've done. So voltage, temperature 87. So you can actually get some more information from here, which is kind of not nice. Just weird that you have to go through the numbers because you don't know what they are unless there's a list in the service manual somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here because this video is gonna get too long. So that's pretty much it for that. What's next? Test. Press start and begin a test. Start. Function not supported. Okay. Maybe because he's on. I was able to lower the window down the other day, but I'm not going to go into that. So reading codes, but that's where we're at. 17. Sorry about that. 17 ECUs and 22 DTCs. Let's look at, I don't know, driver's electronics, for example. Let's look at the fault code there. And we're getting a negative incidental driver door central locking lock motor. Electrical error in circuit. Lock unit for central locking driver's side. Impossible signal. Or let me start over. 01552, that's one. 00928, that's the other one. And 00105, it's the other code I'm getting there. Anyway, so, and you can't click on this, so you can't get any more info. So that's pretty much what I can do at this moment, because I want to kind of look at other things here a little more in depth without making this video too long, which is already 27 minutes. So I hope that gives you an idea of what you can see for now. And I'm not sure where the live data is with the graphs, so I can't do that right now because I really don't know where to get you that information. But when I find out, I will try and do that. And I thought that was part of the reading data stream, but I may be wrong. I don't know. I know I saw it once, but anyways, that's it for now.